Good morning, students. In previous class, we completed exercise 2.5. Now, today we will start 2.6. In that first main, find 0.2 into 6. See here, right here 0.2 into 6. Don't consider now point, directly just multiple with only numbers. 6 to the 12, right here 12. Here after how many numbers point is there? Only one. So right here after one number point. Otherwise you can multiple like this 0.2 into 6. 6 to the 12. 1 carry 2 down. 6 0 the 0 plus 1. The after one how many point is there? Point 1. After one number point is there right here point 1.2. Like this also correct. Like this also correct. Okay. Next 8 into 4.6. Now don't consider point, just multiple with numbers. 8 6 are 48, 4 carry 8 down, 8 4 are 32, 32 plus 4 36, right here 36. After how many numbers point is there? After one point is there. So same after one number we put here point. Okay. Otherwise you can multiple like this 8 into 4.6. 6 8 are 48. Okay. Right here 48. Next 4 8 ja here right here plus 4 8 ja 32. Right here 32. 8 4 plus 2 is 6 3. Okay. Now after one number point is the same. After one number point same thing. Okay. You can multiple like this. It will become easy. Same 0.05. Right here 0.05 into 7. 7 5 are 35. 3 carry 5 down. 7 0 ja 0 plus 3. Again 7 0 ja 0. After how many numbers point is there? 1 2. After 2 numbers point is there same. 1 2 put here point. Answer is 0.35. Next one sixth main. What they given? 211.02 into 4. Same thing right here 211.02 into 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 0 ja 0. 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Now again after how many numbers point is there? 1 2. After 2 numbers point is there same. 1 2 put here point. Put here point. Like this you have to solve first main. Now second main. They given find the area of rectangular whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. We have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. So right here length of rectangle. Length of rectangle. How much they given? 5.7 centimeter and breadth of rectangular. Breadth of rectangle. How much? 3. Breadth how much given? 3 centimeter. Now we have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Length into breadth. Length is how much given? 5.7 into breadth is 3. 3 7 ja 21. 1 down 2 carry. 3 5 are 15. 15 plus 2 17. Right here 17. After how many numbers point is there? 1. So after one number put here point. Right here centimeter square. So thus the area of rectangle is 17.1 centimeter square. 17.1 centimeter square. Like this you have to write. Now third main find same 1.3 into 10. See here. Don't consider point, just to take number. It will become 13. 13 10 ja 130. Okay. After how many number point is there? 1. So put here 1. The answer is 13. Same thing. 153.7 into 10. Don't consider now point, just multiple with numbers. Means it will become 1537 into 10. So 15,370. After how many number point is there? 1. So put here after one number point. So answer is 1537. Same thing, 311. Sorry, 31.1 into 100. Just don't consider point now. Take numbers 311. It will become into 100. 311 into 100 means 31,100. 31,100. After one number point is there 1. It answer will become 3,110. Same. 43.07 into 100. 43.07 into 100. Don't consider point, just to multiply with 4,307 means right here 4,307. How many zero are there? 2. Put here 2 0. Okay. After how many numbers point is there? 2. 1, 2. Put here point. Next one. I will take 12th one. 0.03 into 1000. See here. I will write number 003. How many zero are there? 1, 2, 3. Right here 1, 2, 3. Okay. This only answer. Now after how many numbers point is there? 2. 1, 2. After that point 1, 2. Put here point. Put here point. Okay. Like this we have to solve remaining things. One more thing. See here. Don't put point. Just put here numbers 13. How many zero are there? 1 right here. Okay, 130. After how many numbers point is there? 1. This only answer. Like this also correct. Okay, it is easy method only when it is having 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, next fifth main. Now fifth main. They given 2.5 into 0.3. Right here 2.5 into 0.3. Multiple now. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. It is 0. It will become 0 0. 5 7 0. See here. Here also one number after one number point is there. Here also after one number point is there. Means it will become two numbers. 1 2 put here point. 1 2 put here point. Same thing. 11.2. In previous exercise they given only one side point, but here both side here they given. So here we have to consider both. Means here after one number point is there. Here also one after one number point is there. So it will become after two numbers point. So 1 2 put here point. Same 11.2 into 0.15. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 1s are 5. Next 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. Next it will become 0 0 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 1s are 0. 0 1s are 0. Add this one. 0 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 1 is 6 1. Next 0. See here. After how many number point is there? 2. Again here 1. Means 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 2 3 put here point. So answer is 1.680. 1.68. Same thing. Fourth one. 1.3 into 3.1. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 1. So 3 1 plus 9. 1 is carry. 0 is done. 10 it will become 10. So 1 plus 1 is 2. See here. After one number point is there. Here also after 1. 1 plus 1 2. So after two numbers 1 2 put here point. This only answer. Same thing. 10.05 into 1.05. Same thing. Multiple this one. 5 5s are 25. 5 zeros are 0 plus 7 plus 0 plus 2 2. 5 zeros are 0. 5 plus 1 5. Next 0 5s are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 zeros are 0. 0 1s are 0. Okay. Next plus plus 1 5s are 5. 1 zeros are 0. 1 zeros are 0. 1 1s are 1. Now add this one. 5 2 5 5 0 1. See here. After how many number point is there? 2. Again here also after 2 number point is 2 plus 2 4. Means here in answer we have to put after 4 numbers, because here also 2 4 1 2 3 4 here point. This only answer 10.5 525 5525. Okay, this only answer. Now exercise 2.7. Now exercise 2.7. Here I completed 2.6. If you have any doubt you can contact me. Now exercise 2.7. First main, find 0.4 divided by 2. 0.4 I will write divided by 2. This only question. This one I will convert in fraction. Means 4 right here 1. After how many point numbers are there? How many numbers are there? Only 1. So right here 0. 4.4 divided by 10. Again divided by 2. I will write this one 2 by 1. Same thing. So you have to write next step 4 by 10 into. If I return here multiplication means it will become reciprocal, means 1 by 2. In cross both are the same table? Yes. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So answer is 2 by 10. So I will write 2 as it is. After how many 0 are there? Only 1. So 1 after 1 number we have to put here point, again here 0. This only answer. Once again I will repeat 0.4 divided by 2. This one I will convert in fraction 4 divided by 10. 4 I will write as it is. After how many point numbers are there? Only 1. Now 4 by 10 it will become 4 by 10. We have to convert this one decimal to fraction. Again since this one 2 means 2 by 1. 4 by 10 I will write as it is. If I return into it will become reciprocals, means 1 by 2. Ulta, it will become ulta. In both side cross multiplication. Both are there in same table? Yes. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 2 1 ja 2, 10 1 ja 10. So this one again you have to convert in decimal. 2 I will write as it is. How many 0 are there? 1. So after one number put your point, again 0. When it is having 10, 100, 1000, then only you have to count the zeros. How much numbers zeros are there? After that numbers you have to put point. Same thing 0.35 divided by 5. This one I will convert in fraction 35. This I will write as it is. After point how many numbers are there? 1 2. So right here first write here 1. How many numbers are there? 1 2. Right here 1 2. Again divided by 5 by 1. 5 by 1. So again 35 divided by 100 into. If you are written here multiplication means it will become reciprocal 1 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. So 7 1 ja 7 divided by 100 1 ja 100. Again we have to convert in decimal. First I will write number. How many 0 are there here? 2 1 2. So here one number is there, another is not there, so I will write 0. After that I will put point, again 0. So 0.07 is answer. 0.7 is answer. 64 by divided by 6. 64.4 divided by 6. Again this one I will write in fraction. 654 divided by how many? After point how many numbers are there? Only 1. 0 divided by 6. Next 654 10 into 1 by reciprocal. It will become 6 by 1 means it will become reciprocal. 6 by 1. 6 1 ja 6. 0. Again we have to take two numbers. 6 9 ja 54. 6 9 ja 54. So 109 divided by 10. Write this one in fraction, a decimal. How many 0 are there? 1 means after one number put a point. Next 0.80 divided by 5. 801. After point how many numbers are there? 1 2. So write here 1 2 zeros. Again divided by 5 by 1. 80 divided by 100 into. It will become reciprocal 1 by 5. In 5 table 5 16 ja. 16 1 ja 16, 100 1 ja 100. Again write this one in decimal. 16 I will write as it is. How many 0 are there? 2. 1 2 put your point, again 0. This only answer. Now second main 2.7 in that second main. See here it is easy. They given 4.8 divided by 100. 4.8 I will write as it is 10. Already it is there point. After that how many 0 are there? 1. Next step, if it is 2 means we have to move 2 numbers. It is only 1 means now we have to move 1 numbers, means point here is there, next number. After 4 we have to put your point, again here 0. The answer is 0.48. Next I will take 52.5 divided by 10. 525 I will write as it is. Here up how many numbers 0 are there? Only 1. Already it is there. Just how many zero are there? Only one, means again have to move only one number. Here it will become 5.25. 5.25. Next one, 72.23 divided by 100. 272.23 divided by 10. So next step, I will write 272.23. After how many zero are there? Only one. So again have to move one number, means 27.223. 27.223. Like this you have to solve. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Next, 2.7 divided by 100. See here, 27 I will write here. How many zero are there? 2. Here after 2 number we have to move, again put here point. See here, if I moved here to 1 number, again one more it is not there, so I will take here 0, put here point. So answer is 0.027. Next one, 0.78 divided by 100. Again I will write 7, 8 as it is. 0 it is there, 0 also I will take. So how many numbers are there here? 2. So here we have to move 2 steps, means from here 1, again one more 2, again put here point. So 0.078, like this. Again sixth one, I will take sixth one, that is 98.53 divided by 100. So 9853. Here how many zero are there? 2, means again you have to move 2 numbers. 1, 2, means after 9 you have to put your point, again here 0. So answer is 0.9853. Now fourth means same thing. If they give 1000 means we have to same thing. We have to, how many zero are there? We have to count. Again you have to move that much. 7.9 divided by 1000. So I will write 7.79 as it is. How many zero are there? 1, 2, 3. After 3 numbers we have to move, again put a point. Here 1, here 1, number is not there, so we have to take 2, 3, again put here point, 0, point 0. So I moved how many numbers? 3. So here 1, 2, 3, I put it here point. Same, 26.3 divided by 1000. Same, 263 I will write as it is. How many zero are there? 3. So after 3 numbers again you have to put point. So 1, 3 in, after 3 point is there, so we have to move to 3 steps. 1, 2, again here number is not there, I will take 0, again point 0, 0.0263. Again next one, 0.5 divided by 1000. So I will write 0.5. How many numbers are 3? 3 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3. Again you have to move 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3.0. So 0.0005. This only answer. Like this remaining you solve this one. Next one, fifth main. Next one, fifth main. Again fifth main, first one 7 I will write as it is divided by 3.81. I will convert this one in fraction. 35 divided by 10. See here, after point how many numbers are there? Only one, so I have taken here 1, 0. This one, next step, 7 into means it will become reciprocal. 20, 10 divided by 35 in cross. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. So again both are there in same table. 5 1 ja 5, 2 ja. So right here 2 answer. Once again I will repeat, 7, this one I convert in fraction, it will become 35 by 10. 35 by 10. So 7 into if I return, it will become reciprocal. 10 by 35. 7 1 ja 7, 7 5 ja 35. Again both are there, 10 and 5 both are the same table. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So answer is 2. Same thing. 36 divided by, again I will write this one in fraction. After point how many numbers are there? Only one. So write here 0. 36 into, in reciprocal I will write 10 by 2. See here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 18 ja 36. 2 18 ja 36. Again you multiple these two numbers. 18 10 ja 180. So write here 180. This only answer. This only answer. Next one. 7.75 divided by 0.25. This one I will write in fraction 7.75. See here, after point how many numbers are there? 1, 2, right here 1, 2, 0. Again divided by 0 to 5. I will write as it is. Again I will convert in fraction. After point how many numbers are there? 1, 2, right here 100. Okay, 775 100 into, it will become reciprocal, 100 divided by 25. So here this 100 cancel. So 25 1 ja 25 3 ja 75, 25 3 ja 75, remaining is 2. So 25 it will become 25 1 ja 25. So answer is 31. So answer is 31. Sixth main. A vehicle covers a distance of a 43.2 km in 2.5 liter of a petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So here they give one question. In 2.4 liters of petrol, distance covered by the vehicle is 43.2 km. In 1 liter of petrol, distance covered by the vehicle. So this one you have to divide with 2.4. 43.2 divided by 2.4. So this one I have to write this one in fraction. It will become 432 divided by 10 divided by 24 divided by 10. So 432 divided by 10, it will become multiplication. That time it will become reciprocal. 10 divided by 24. So 10 cancel. 24 1 ja 24 19 ja, sorry 24 24 18 ja 24 on the 24. Now remaining is how much? 19. It will become 192. 24 8 ja 192. So answer is 18. So answer is 18 kilometers. So right here, thus it covered 18 kilometer distance in 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol. Okay, this much you have to write, and homework is to solve exercise 2.6 and 2.7 in homework book. At the evening I will send the answers. You just cross check with that answer. Okay, thank you students.